How to cancel a ticket in Wizz Air. Now, first things first is, of course, you have to log into your Wizz Air account. To do so, just simply pull up your preferred web browser and you can go ahead to the Wizz Air official website, which is this one. This is going to be wizzair.com and just completely log into your account right here. Now, once you have logged into your account, you'll be able to see under your profile if you have already booked a ticket. And then if you want to cancel a ticket, you'll have to make sure that cancellation fee is dependent on days left until departure and is charged per passenger per flight. That's per more than 14 days to go. Cancellation fee is going to cost you 60 euro to 80 euro per passenger and per flight. Now, within 14 days to go, seat protection fee is 80 euro to 100 euro per passenger and per flight. If the cancellation is made more than 14 days prior to departure, the passenger is entitled to the refund of the total fare after the deduction of the cancellation fee and the recovery of the Wiz Discount Club benefits. So you just have to make sure that you have at least 14 days prior your flight date and then cancel it. Now there will be fees that you'll have to pay and you will not be given 100% guarantee that you'll get your money back. Now, if that specific booking is not showing on your profile, then you'll have to coordinate with the Wizz Air customer support. So once you have visited the website and you have logged into your account, you just have to go all the way down, and right here you can see contact us, like this link right here. If you click on this link right here, you will be routed here, and you'll have just press on contact us information right here, and then you can also click on this icon right here, the chat icon, so you'll be redirected to a live support agent. So those are the steps on how you can cancel a ticket in Wizz Air.